Okay, Sounds of Decay 1 is Void Witch's new album, Horripilating Presence. Another day, another great band from Austin, Texas. Horripilating Presence is the debut full length for Void Witch, an impressive doom sludge four-piece that have dropped a couple of EPs and singles since forming back in 2021. The band delivers a palpable mood of pure dread across these 6 songs, most of which stretch out in the 6 to 7 minute range to allow for the harmonized Weeping Willow guitars of Jason Eichner and Nick Heilman to bedazzle the creepy atmosphere.
As you can likely guess from song titles like Supernova of Brain and Bone and Malevolent Emerge, this isn't going to be the soundtrack for your next self-help workshop. But the performances are undeniably strong, and the Lovecraftian lyrics speak of spectral brines, dying hellscapes, and horlipilating presences. Is horlipilating even a word? They show a flair for their dark craft that goes beyond the youth of the moniker.
Fans of dramatic guitar harmonies like me will find the album stacked with melodic rewards. The gloriously titled Thousand-Eyed Stalactite creeps along with the speed of soil erosion. Guitars pirouetting all over the place while vocalist Luke Freibertshauer wolfs images of cavernous depths yawning. The sinking darkness pulls towards something unending. The title track hammers along right out of the gates on fantastic mid-tempo riff with deft wah pedal workouts adding a psychedelic mood to the proceedings before drummer Adrian Marchi ups the ante to an all-out thrash pace around the track's midpoint. The low octave bark of vocalist and bass player Freibergshauer is the perfect foil for the push-pull between violent speed and chiming introspective segments in this track.
Not sure if they ever eclipsed the opener, Grave Mistake, which kicks off with very post-rock sounding guitar oscillations that collide with nimble Lizzie-informed harmonies and thundering riffing that slowly builds delicious epic-style momentum, reaching a glorious peak of impressive guitar gymnastics around the 4-minute mark that introduces a punishing double-time explosion of percussion from Marchi in one of the disc's most spectacular moments. Uber dark, riffy, and full of impressive guitar. Fans of Satan's good music like Spectral Voice and Sybaris need to check out Void Witch post haste. All right, let's play a song. This is Grave Mistake.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.